Can't believe there's an online trading, so let's get started. Ding dong. Oh, can I offer a trade? Sure. I can give you this french fries. I can give you this pineapple. And give you this rainbow square puppet. Except you. Okay, I need to check it. Here it is. So there's a pineapple one. And also there's a square one. It's 9 people. Can I offer a trade? Sure. Give you this iPhone. Oh my gosh. I really want an iPhone. That's an iPhone 12. I will give you this really big jumbo-less puppet. And then it's rainbow. Add, please. You all of my needles. Please. How many times I need to add? Never mind. I can just add all of my fidget toys. Of course. I need to accept this. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous to get this iPhone 12. What the? Did I get scammed? I gotta take it! Oh my goodness! I need to cross back this. Cross. What the? I just got scammed.